In this video, I'll show you how to add audiobooks to StoryGraph. First, open the StoryGraph app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the search bar located at the top of your screen. Begin typing the name of the book you're looking for. As soon as it appears in the list, tap on the correct title. This will take you to that book's main page. Now, it's important to note that the books listed in the search results are usually the hardcover versions. You can confirm this by looking under the author's name on the book's page. If you see the number of pages listed, that means this is not the audiobook version. To locate the audiobook, tap the View Editions option. This is a small button found on the book's page. As you scroll down the list of different editions, you'll start seeing various formats such as paperback or hardcover. You're looking for an edition where the format is labeled audio. In the correct version, instead of page numbers, you'll see the duration of the audiobook in hours and minutes. Once you locate the audiobook edition, simply tap To Read if you plan to start it soon. If you're already reading or want to mark it differently, tap on the arrow next to Read to select other options like Currently Reading, Read, or any other relevant status. After you've made your selection and return to your homepage, you'll notice the audiobook has now been added to your list. When you tap on it, you'll be able to see that it's the audio version of the book, and that's exactly how you can add audiobooks to StoryGraph.